What's good, what's popping? So guys, today I'm coming to you with another makeup tutorial, outgoing makeup tutorial. The weather is super pretty hot out there, so I decided to come up with this kind of effortless no makeup look, because you don't want to walk around with a cakey and heavy makeup. You don't want to try that. We no further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how I come up with this look, you know what to do. Just go and enjoy. All the products I use are going to be listed down below. Don't forget to do what makes you happy. Drink a lot of water, read your Bible, okay? It helps a lot. And yeah, do what makes you happy. I said it. Mind your business as much as you can. It's very good for your beautiful skin, okay? So stay pretty and be blessed. Take care, ciao. Hey girls, what's good, what's popping? So guys, today my face on point. Fenty Beauty mattifying primer, and apply some pump. I can't remember the last time I used this primer, so it's going to be perfect for the foundation we are using. Okay, so the second primer, in as much we still want that dewy face, but at the same time minimal valuable super grip primer combination to oil skin. Just going to, with the primer, I'm going to be using my beauty blender to do that, because I don't just like when it's sticking in my hand. I'm going to be taking this, so yeah, you see how we're blending my skin properly, letting set. This one is a Marc Jacob Shameless foundation in the shade tan. You guys can see properly. And I'm going to be taking this Urban Decay Naked Skin, okay, and in the shade of this one is 10.0. okay. A bit with the Marc Jacob, because this one gives me more coverage. Still have a little bit of coverage there, not too much. It's like we didn't do anything, but at the same time a little bit of effort was applied, if that makes sense. Okay. There's nobody coming through. Yes, I'm happy with the result with L'Oreal Mercier Flawless Infusion Concealer, okay, in the shade number 5. I'm going to use, this is an outgoing makeup, okay, outgoing makeup. Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Modern Concealer in the shade Truffle, which is 343. okay, so the way it chiseled, the way it gives my cheekbone the contour, the way it just captures it, I don't really like it. It's not looking too professional, and so I'm going to mix it together with it. I'm going to do that at the back of my hand, because this product right here is super dark. Like it, like I just said, I'm going to mix it with this one right here, the brush right here, and I'm just going to use the back first, mix it together so that I don't get carried away. Yes, because I don't want too dark contour today. That is why I'm doing what I'm doing right now. So I'm just going to start the blend. As you can see, we still have that natural contour effect, because when I just go ahead and apply that truffle, it's just too dark for my liking and it's not looking too professional. Guys, I love it. Go try it. If you have a darker concealer, this is how you get that perfect tone that you're going for or that you wish for. Yeah, you see how much quantity that I took. Concealer dries super fast, so I had to do this first. I'm going to take this All Nighter Urban Decay waterproof concealer in the shade Dark Natural, just to brighten up under my eye a little bit. Head around with my beauty blender, the one I used to blend in my foundation. These two products together, it works perfectly. I'm going to be doing it again. Powder under my eye and just it, period. That's it. I'm going to be taking my mist setting powder. It took me 5 setting powder to get this shade right here, okay, because I don't like that flashback. I never had flashback, but I don't just like the way my under eye was just coming out. I wasn't liking it. And bronze, not contour. I'm going to bronze my face today, okay? Hot weather. Taking this Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess bronze powder in the shade number 4, which is deep. So right here, number 4. Bronzy. Yes. You see that? That's warmness. You see the difference? Yes. And I'm going to go in with the Sephora Vivid Health Palette with this shade right here, okay? Blush my cheeks to the guts, okay? Because a long way, darling. Yes. Set my whole face. So I'm going to be taking this highlight right here. Highlight. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the e.l.f. Illuminated Setting Spray. Funny, baby. Another one I use for my foundation. I'm just going to press everything together. Wow. We are beautiful. Flawless skin, right? For my eyebrows today, I'm going to be using something different. I'm going to be using the Catrice Brow Definer. This one right here. Okay, definer. Hope you got ash brown. Okay, ash brown. This one is written here. Ash brown 4. Guys, I have a bunch of eyebrow products I buy. I would say that I will use it, but I end today. I'm just going to fill in my brow. I'm not doing too defined eyebrow, but when it comes out defined, isn't my fault. The motto of this makeup, outgoing makeup. Okay, no too much effort, a little bit effort. Brush the front part so that we can look a little bit realistic, like we didn't put effort, just a little bit effort. Our concealer brush when it comes to cleaning my brow bone, so I'm going to be taking this Jessup cream shader brush, which is 233, okay, cream shader, and I've used it once. It was coming out well. It wasn't a struggle at all, so I'm going to use it today. I'm going to be taking my concealer. Anytime I buy something new, when it comes to furniture, house decor. Oh my goodness, they are so crazy. They don't like it, they like to break it. They have break a lot of my vase, a lot of my expensive vase. They have break it, and I just stare at them and I don't really know what to do to them, you know. I don't know. It is what it is. It's crazy. Sometimes I just want to do away with them. Sometimes I just don't say anything. I say something, but I end up loving them the more. It's crazy, but it's annoying, you know. Sometimes there are some kind of deco that I want to buy, but I would just imagine it's waste of coin, and buying and spoiling it. It's not really good, you know. It's waste of money. I don't like wasting money because money is not easy to make. So why wasting it anyhow like that? And it hurts sometimes because I love decor so much. I'm a freak when it comes to decor my home. I'm super freak. I'm super obsessed. Okay, so we are good like that. I'm just going to be taking my Real Technique brush just to blend it out. Not too much pressure. I'm just going to apply a little bit concealer on my lid. And I believe this eyebrow product, guys, is going to be waterproof because it feels the way it's holding my natural brow. At the same time, because I don't want to bake the Revolution Makeup Revolution, this beautiful palette right here, and it's called Velvet Rose. Go in with this beautiful shade right here. It's a beautiful shade. You can use this palette in fall, in winter, in summer as well, depends on the look you're going for. I picked out this shade. It's beautiful, but I don't know if I'm going to use it today, but let's see. Let's do with our crease first. I'm going to be taking this beautiful shade right here, this one right here. That is the look we are going for, and at the same time I'm fluffing it out, as you can see me do. Beautiful chocolate lash band, basically. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Shade right here. This is kind of a black gray. Focus on my lash band, like the first color. Taking this beautiful shade right here, I'm just going to apply that right here. I barely have nothing there, guys. I barely have nothing. Okay. First, I'm going in with this beautiful dark brown. Leave it halfway. It's beautiful. Oh god, I just love it. Just going to intensify it a little bit, but I'm using the point of the brush. You can see the way I'm doing it. Yes. So guys, I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Drama gel liner, automatic gel pencil. Today I'm closing my eye. I can't remember when I did something like this. So I'm taking this Judith Williams mascara. A little bit my lashes before I go in with the first lash. One is 3D09. So let's pop the lashes on. Let's pop it up. Let's pop it up. Let's pop it up. There's something I love about this lash. It's so light, so light. It's not heavy at all. It's not heavy. It's not overlapped. It's not overlapped. I don't like overlapped lashes. Come through. This is beautiful. All right, here we go. Just let me fall to my grave. The transparent brow gel. Red lipstick, red, because I want to try this powder lipstick that I got from MAC. I'm just going to use a tip to define my lips before I fill in the middle. Okay. Duo MAC. I don't like it. The main reason why I don't like it, it tastes sweet. Put my setting powder. You see what just happened? But I love these lashes. So I'm going to be right back.